Okay, it looks good. Or not? I don't know. But one more time, I want to try streaming LeetCode. Last time I had a lot of issues, primarily with my PC performance. Well, this time I decreased the quality of the output video, so maybe it would help. We'll see about that. Uh, Also, I have a mic, so I will be louder, and the coolers of my laptop won't be so loud, and it's a good thing, but the keyboard will be louder also, so I don't know, maybe it's going to be even worse. We'll see. Now let me just do a few things not related to the stream itself. I'm sorry. Mhm. Okay, and I'm ready to go, I guess. Do we have any drops? No. So the problem is not with internet connection. The problem is, I don't know what is the problem, but my PC is slow and it gets slower like every day. So LeetCode. Previously we solved this problem, calculator with meta chaining, and what I want to do is to find the best solution. I love to solve these problems by myself, but after that I try to find the best solution. And as you remember, it was a problem about chaining methods in JavaScript class. And I wrote something like this. And it's a relatively new problem, so there are just like 32 solutions. And this one is a strange one. Well, first of all, a good thing is this one, to throw an error. And I don't know why, but for some strange reason I developed this crazy mechanics of saving errors and then in the end displaying them. Well, it turned out that we can just throw an error. Let's try this. So we don't need this error anymore, and of course we do not need this check anymore. Something like this. Let's check it. Yeah, and it works. And one more thing, it is possible to use this shortcut. I think let's try this also. Well, I'm not sure if we have tests with power. Let's try to submit. Yes, it's working. But what is a very strange thing in this solution is that this person doesn't return this in each method. I mean, how does the chaining work? Well, you put return this inside every method, and it's even described in this in this task that we should return the updated calculator. But in this solution it's not done. You see, there is no return this. And at first I thought that this person made a mistake, but let's try to remove all this return this. Except for this one, of course. Oh, we don't have return this here. Let's run it. And it's working. And it probably shouldn't. So maybe this is a faulty, a buggy problem. And I even wrote a comment in the discussion about this problem. Because it shouldn't work, I think. Well, what do you think? Anyway, it's done. And let's try some other problem. Oh no. How can we do this? Yeah. Here we go. It's somewhat slow again. Problems. What I like to do is to set a difficulty here. For example, let's set easy for now because we are newbies. And then after setting the difficulty, let's sort by acceptance. So the first problems are probably the easiest one, and I already solved a lot. Let's find something here. Well, these problems related to JavaScript promises I do not take yet because I do not know much about promises. The same about interval cancellation, delay, like async, all that. It's not for me yet, but I'm working on it. Oh, a lot of solved already. Again, promise time limit, not good for me. And everything else is solved. Okay, next page. It can't be that good. Increasing order search tree. I hate searching trees. Oh yeah, this monster. See, I hate tree problems. let's comment out all my previous attempts and let's go for an easy but stupid solution, of course. Let's do something like this. If root left, then if, sorry, it's morning here. I'm very distracted still. What am I doing here? Let's call this method take value from root left. Oh, it's going to be extremely stupid. I am enjoying it already. Let's put root value here. Now what about take value method? It accepts root. Well, I think it works a little better when I decrease the quality. It's bearable, almost. Also, it's not that hot yet because it's morning, so my computer doesn't overheat as much. What we're going to do here? Okay, array is going to be an instance variable. And we're gonna put root value here, and of course we're gonna do all that again. Ooh. And here let's for now return this array. Let's see. Okay, here we have all our nodes values sorted. And of course, every operation like sort, that's also how does it convert. Let's try to revert them. Reverse. Yeah. So we have this array. Now let's create a node. It's such a bad solution, I feel, but if it works, you know. Better than nothing, I guess. And afterwards we will find the best one. So the value is going to be the first let's call it like this. Oh my god. Like this. And of course we are not going to have any left nodes because, well, I didn't even describe the problem to you. I just immediately took it because I knew already what what is it about? So we have to take the existing tree, and turn it into a tree with only right nodes, right branches, and they should be ordered. So that's why we use nil here. We do not have any left branches. And what about the right branch? For now, let's leave it like this, and we are going to iterate through this array. Let's do each with index, I think. Oh, it's such a stupid attempt, it's unbelievable. Okay, let's call it num, and let's call it index. Yep. And if index is more than 0, we are going to take our node, no, yeah, oh, it's funny, I'm not sure about this, but let's try. Of course, here we are going to use num, and here we are going to use node, our previous node, and then we want to return the node. It's crazy. What? Of course, I forgot. Do hast. It's green. Oh my god. Let's submit. I'm so happy. It's probably the most stupid solution in the world. But you know, it's something, because I already had so many attempts with this problem, and I tried to solve it with recursion, as you should when working with trees. That was hard. For now, let's take this solution, and of course I will look for the best solution and I will tell you everything about it, but it's going to happen next time. So I think that's it. Did we have any drops? No, it was good, and FPS are good. Well, no one is watching, that's the only problem, but I still do this every day, so the only question is whether to stream it or not, and I think it's better to stream it. So subscribe, donate, and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.